What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggie on Pennies. If you're here, welcome. My name is Alexa and I like to share easy, vegan, and simple recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So it's been so long since I've posted. I think it's been like 3 months since my last upload. So I thought, why not just get into it, and to reduce the friction and like the headache and like the anxiety, I decided to just do a good old what I eat in a day, because those are easy, they don't require any planning, and they're just all around fun. It's always fun to know what someone else is eating. So I thought, why not just get in the hang of it just by doing it really chill, what I eat in a day. So yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Enjoy what I eat today, and yeah, I'll start posting again, and I'll try to be way more consistent. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, so let's get into the video. So to start off this morning, I wanted to make something really quick. So I just picked up some frozen waffles that I have, and also this sausage that I have, and I just preheated my oven to 375 on convection mode. I put both the waffles and the sausages on the pan on the same one because they just cook super fast. They pretty much just need to reheat. So I did that. The President's Choice gluten-free versions are vegan, so if you live in Canada, you can definitely try those. So those went in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I also wanted to make myself some oatmeal because the waffles are not really filling. So to a pot, I added 1 cup of oats. I also added a few spoonfuls of pumpkin butter. So I actually made this over the weekend to make some cookies. So I had a lot of leftovers, so I added that, and also a few splashes of Califia Farm oat milk. Then I also added some water and just cooked my oatmeal normally as I would normally cook it. Then I just had some brewed coffee that I just made in my Black & Decker coffee machine, so really basic. And yeah, I just decided to top off my waffles with some vegan butter. This is the Basil, the new plant-based butter brick. So if you live in Canada, I believe you would have access to the Basil brand, so definitely check it out. Then I topped it up with some maple syrup, added some ketchup and mayo to my sausage, and also had some cut up strawberries. So that was the breakfast: waffles, sausages, pumpkin oatmeal, and a cup of coffee. So yeah, really satisfying and just what I needed. Focused. Yeah, so it looks really dark inside, but I mean, it's winter, y'all. It's coming. It's almost there, so it's getting dark really early. But right now it's 1:32 p.m. and I have not eaten anything since I talked to you guys, which is really surprising. I didn't even have a snack. Usually I would kind of have like a midday snack, like a yogurt or something, like a light snack, but I was not even feeling hungry, and I kind of need to hurry. It's like I said, it's 1:35. It's 1:33 and I have a call at 2. So I want to make sure I eat really quickly. I might have some fruit with that, I don't know. So yeah, let's get ready and let's get it done, and I'll show you how it looks like. So for lunch, I wanted something super quick because, like I said, I was going on a call in like 5 minutes. So I just grabbed some of the raisin bread that I grabbed on sale that was like expired. So I cut 2 thick pieces of that. Then I put on my favorite vegan mayo. I also put on some salami, vegan salami that I had a lot of. Then I put on some lettuce mix, more salami, more cheese. I had like random bits of cheese left over. I also added some sliced up avocado. This was just like an empty fridge sandwich. Like everything I could just find, I would just stuck on there, because as you can see, my avocado was not the freshest. I also added some Dijon mustard, and here I'm adding some basil leaves. So I did have some basil that was on its way to wilting, and I love adding just basil in sandwiches. It's so flavorful. Then I added some cheese, as you can see, on top, and this is what it looked like. So really full. So I just closed that, squished it down, and then I added some butter on each of the outer sides because I love to like grill and toast my sandwiches since I don't have a toaster in my apartment. So yeah, I just added some vegan butter, again the same Basil brick one, so if you live in Canada, check it out. Yeah, and I just pan fried it on each side, flipped it over with the spatula, really easy, and this is what it looks like when it's done. So as you can see, it's like nice and like charred a little bit and toasted, and just slice it up in half and stack it up really nice. And yeah, super satisfying, real flavorful. I had that with a Chobani peach flavor yogurt and a half glass of orange juice. Now dinner time. Clearly, but I'm just gonna make a little stir fry dinner. So I'm making some rice, and there's a little pot here, and then I'm frying some veggies right here. These frozen veggies that I have, and I'm also gonna make a little sauce in this mason jar. So for dinner, I just made a really simple stir fry, and I made this sauce consisting of soy sauce, some maple syrup, also added some sambal, olek, some ginger, and I just took my little electric mixer and mixed it up really nice, and this is what it turned out. I also ended up adding some tahini for creaminess, but super basic, just your regular stir fry. And yeah, that was everything I ate today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.